Grammage calibration is easy, you just need weighing scale, a cup to catch the powder and access to product settings. First remove all the canister from the machine. Remove the old powder and refill the new product. Return the canister to the machine. Remove the mixing bowl. Using the weighing scale, tear the cup to be used in calibration. Access the service menu of the machine. Then proceed to product settings. Locate the new ingredients to calibrate. Position the cup under the canister spout. Press the weighing scale icon on the bottom of the screen, the machine will start to dispense the product. Do this 3 times to get the accurate results. We can also calculate using ratio and proportion to get the exact timing for product grammage. Adjust the timing as per supplier recommendations to get the grammage. After calibration, clean all the parts and refit back to our machine.